This is Lipo charger. Basically, it is a charger to charge lithium polymer batteries, which we use generally for drones or robotic vehicles. These are the special batteries. These are called lithium polymer batteries. I have two battery packs here with me. So this is a 2S battery and this one is 3S battery. Basically, the difference between these two is it has contains two cells. Just you can see these two. These are two different cells which each produce around 3.5 3.3 3.4 volts. So if you add these two, so it will be around 7 volts output. And this one has 3S battery, so around 12 volts output. So now these these cells are very dedicated. Each cells required some certain voltage, and we have to charge in a very particular manner so that each cell must be charged in a very balanced way. So to use these or to charge these batteries, we required a lithium Lipo battery balance chargers. So I am having this with me. This is iMax B6 model. It costs you around 2500 approx 2500 to 2000. So 3000 approx will be the cost for this particular charger, and the battery will cost you more than 1000 rupees each piece. You can get it from the market around 1000, 1500, 2000, like that. It depends on the quality of the material and the brand which is selling all these items. So now it comes how we have to charge these batteries. So to charge the batteries, we required some sort of power system. Input power is required. So just for input power, I am using one 12 volt power supply, DC power supply. So you can charge with different options, but here we have, I will use this DC adapter. This is a 12 volt adapter. So as you can see in this charger also, we have this particular port here. So just insert this, and we have to wait for this. As you can see, it started now. So now first of all, we have to select the battery type and the cell voltage. For this, we have to press this button, the battery type. First of all, we'll press this button. So select a battery. So here it comes lithium polymer battery. Okay, Lipo battery means lithium polymer battery. And then we have to select it. So press enter. Now it will ask how many amperes would you like to charge this battery on, how many amperes, and what is the cell value. Cell value means how many cells are there in particular in this battery. So here I have already selected 1 ampere. You can change it. If you want to change it, you can change it 1.1, 1.3 as per your own choice on what ampere you would like to charge this. So I have set it here for 1.5 volts. Then enter. Then here we have to select the cell value. Cell value means either it is a single cell battery, 2 cell, 3 cells. Lithium batteries usually come by up to 6 cells. You can get it in the market. So it depends on the project where you are going to use it. So accordingly we have to select the battery, and if I want to charge this battery, I can see 1, 2 and 3. 3 cells are there. So I have to select here 3S. So 3S means enter, then 3S. So it's coming 11.1 volt. So 11.1 volt is the total value for 3S battery. Now after that, we have to connect this battery to this system. So we have to, first of all, we have to connect the main terminal. So it will be directly connected. Then here we have balance charger lead also. So this particular lead to be connected on a proper place, otherwise this battery will not be charged. So if you turn this side, you can see there are so many different ports. So the number of cells, we have to see where in which port it will be fixed. So as I can see that the second port will be good, so I have to insert it here. Now the battery pack is ready for charging. So let's see, if I press enter here to charge the battery, let's see what will happen. Okay, it will once again, so it will check the battery check. So it's saying 3S battery and it's asking confirm. As I press confirm, now you can see it started charging. So it's coming lithium 3S battery, lithium power 3S battery, 1.5 ampere, it's charging ampere, and the current voltage for the battery is 11.35. Right now it's charging, so this is 3.6, like that. So it will be increased as it will be charging, it will be increasing, and as the battery will the system works for 2 hours or battery is getting full charge. Once it will give you some sort of signal after charging. And if you want to see the progress, how much is the voltage for each cell, just press this button. Here you can see this is cell number 1, so it's 3.79, cell number 2 3.78, and cell number 3 3.78. So each cell is balancedly charged. So that's why we call this charger as lithium power balance charger, we can say Lipo balance charger. So this is how, these are the basic setups which is very much required if you want to make some projects based on drones or some sort of vehicle which requires, means if you are purchasing this battery also, no, so, from the market, it will cost you, as I told you, around 12 to 15,000 1500 rupees it will cost easily. And if you are not charging with these particular kind of chargers, no, your money will be wasted. You can use this battery once or twice, afterwards you cannot use it, because if the cells are not properly charged, it will be damaged. That is the basic view. Thank you. I hope this information will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.